Sanibona bafethu, uvana lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates njwanazi ke iyodlala kusasa, siyodlala against Richards Bay FC, siyodlala home. Manje siyodlala home, le game ke bafethu ibalekile, ngikhulumile ke ngayo, kodwa ke namhlanje ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami. Ngizodlalisa nje abadlali, ngizoqalisa kahle kahle abadlali ngokwami engibona kumele bayiqale le game le. Ungangitshela ke wena yakho i-lineup prediction, but ke ungayigxeki yami, yabo, ungayigxeki, ungitshele nje eyakho wena uthi njani. Kule game le sawudinga ngempela u3 points. Just udinga nje u3 points, mina ngokwami ngaqalisa best of the best. Ngingaqalisa nje the best 11 for i-Orlando Pirates. Sisheshe nje siwuthathe u3 points kusase-early, singastruggleishi njengamanye ama-team. Yabo, sayibona i-Kaizer Chiefs i-struggleisha against a team like i-Richards Bay. Bakwazanga ukuthi bakhahlele isho, even i-shot on target A1. Yabo, lo kuyakutshela ukuthi i-Richards Bay i-team ekwazi ukuthi i-defend. So ngokwami mina ngizoqalisa nje the best of the best. So first and foremost ngizoqala nje epaleni bafethu, ngizoqalisa uSipho Chain as my goalkeeper for le game lesiyidlala against i-Richards Bay. Umjida uyalwazi udaba, yabo, uyazi ukuthi kumele kuyenziwani, kuyoliwa lapha nje, asiyolwa nje ngempela. We need ama-leader njengosipho Chain. Umjida wadlala kahle kakhulu the last game ade sidla. Masukuthi ke kuma center back pairing bafethu, center back pairing angifuni nje uyishintsha kakhulu, yabo, ngcono nje siyishiye inje, yabo. Sipho Chain kumele akwazi ukukhuluma ne-center back pairing yakhe kusibisi benosiyema. So far i-center back pairing yethu iza kahle kancane kancane, izogcina isiqondile le center back pairing, yabo. I'm really not happy regarding uCM ukuthi alitholanga ithuba lokuthi ahambe ayoyibonakalisa naye lapha kuBafana Bafana, noma mhlambe abizwe kwi-squad sama-prelim, yabo, athole ithuba lokuthi naye akhethwe, yabo. I was not happy regarding that decision, but ke yabo sike sikwazi ukukhompline kakhulu, siyamazi umuntu osethayo isquad Hugo Bros uyena on the final say, but ke I was not happy. But ke ngokwami this is my center back pair. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs ngingambuyisa uSibelebele odlala e-right wing back. Remember last game umjida ube suspended, so kule game lesoyidlala against i-Richards Bay siyamdinga ukuthi abe khona because i-Richards Bay ihlala kakhulu emuva. So you need a player like uSibelebele who will go forward and add ama-numbers phambili, and you'll need a player like uDion Hoto who will go forward and add ama-numbers. You saw Dion Hoto hitting a beautiful cross to Teto Maswanganye ngosikhathi dlala nePolokwane City. So you need ama-crosses akanjalo kuma-wing backs wakho. So this is my back four against i-Richards Bay FC. You can tell me your back four wena ngokwakho, but ke this is my back four: Sibisi, Siyema, Sibelebele and Dion Hoto. Maybe ke you can put Undaba, maybe you can start Undaba, but ke angazi asizeza lapha esiswini, yabo nje asiza lapha esiswini. Number 6 wami ngaqalisa bani nakhe, ngaqalisa lo mjida lo bafethu Makhehleni Makhawula. Khehleza mntanami, khehle. So for Makhehleni Makhawula bafethu umjida uza kahle, usebuyile kwi-groove yakhe, yabo. Last game ngosikhathi ngibabona beno-talent embatha lapha esiswini, ngenze ngafike kulile yonto. Ngakhumbula ibhola esasidlala la season, indlela esasi-operate ngakhona esiswini. Injini yethu isibuyile njengamanje. Njengoba nje isibuyile injini yethu, kumele siyibambe ziqine ngempela, singaloku sishintshe into eziningi, because the more lokhu uyishintsha injini yilapho khona i-team ingeyizihambe kahle, ingeyizidlale kahle. So injini yakho kumele uyishiye ikanjalo. Makhehleni Makhawula ngithandazela nje ukuthi angalimali, angatholi any injuries, because maningi ama-games sisazomdinga kona kule season esiyona. Siphumile kwi-Nedbank, asikho kwi-Champions League, sifocuse kuyona i-league. So each and every game counts, uyamdinga uMakhehleni Makhawula kuyo yonke igame, yabo. Mhlambe ke ungangamqedisa igame, mhlambe ke, yabo, mhlambe bese siya ko-60 noma 75 8 umshintshe ufake omunye umdlali. But ke uMakhehleni Makhawula is a player that must start each and every game. Masukuthi abadlali bazodlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa bani, uTalent Mbatha benoTito Maswanganye, yabo. I'm sure abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi awuvani, why ungamqalisi mhlawumbe umfuke ngezwe number 10. I think ngokwami kumele siye forward right now, sibuyise engine yethu last season. If you remember last season we used to play with uTito Maswanganye as number 10, masukuthi number 8 kube uTalent Mbatha, masukuthi number 6 ku Makhehleni Makhawula. Ngokwami kule game esoyidlala against i-Richards Bay ngezi attack kakhulu, izohlala kakhulu emuva. That is what I know. that is what I know regarding indlela engababona bedlala ngakhona yabo ngiyabazi badlala kanjani so njengoba beyodlala nathi nje yabazi bayohlala imuva kakhulu so you need a player onjengoTito Maswanganyi sokwazi ukuthi a-operate amove ibhola and uTito Maswanganyi uyakwazi ukuthi ayithole kuma-dangerous positions lapho khona umjida eba deadly khona ekwazi khona ukuthi akore igoli so ngiyamthemba kakhulu umjida ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi adlale kahle lapha phambili so isona-ke sisami mina lesi yabo uMakhehleni Makhawula utalente matha mase ubuTito Maswanganyi wena-ke ungangitshela ukuthi ungaqalisa bani laphana eswini mase siya kuma-forwards-ke kuma-forwards bafethu simple I think usimple yabo kule game le ngingamqalisa as i-winger uMfokeng the reason why ngimqalisa as i-winger uMfokeng I feel like many teams are starting to see ukuthi uMfokeng most of the games esimdlalisa wona umjida simdlalisa as number 10 yabo njengoba simdlalisa as number 10 kumele sisukumswitcha kancane umjida simbeke lapha as i-winger ngifaka nje umjida lo uTito Maswanganyi ngamdlalisa as number 10 mhlambe uTito Maswanganyi mengaperformi kahle egamini singamshintsha uTito Maswanganyi sithathe uMfokeng simbeke as number 10 mase ke sifaka uTshepo Moremi laphana as i-winger umjida angena akwazi ukuthi ayishintshe igame yabo we saw Tshepo Moremi doing the same thing last game so kunale game ke bafethu I'm expecting to see a similar thing ukuthi umjida angene as a sub yabo so right wing angaqalisa uOsuna Police iyona ke bafethu indlela enga-attack ngakhona le yabo expecting izinto eziningi kabajida Osuna Police I need to see a goal against the Richards Bay Mfokeng obvious I think Mfokeng has a goal each and every game Mfokeng ayidlala I think une goal nje bafethu elihleli nje yabo njengamanje umjida udlala ngempela and he is a candidate othi angenzeka abe i-player of the season so ngokwami these are my attacker mase siya lapha afront siya afront bafethu ngaqalisa uYanela Mbuthuma I know a lot of people mhlambe bangiceka bathi awuvani wamqelisa kanjani uMbuthuma bafethu listen to me right now we are playing against his former team okuyi Richards Bay ama defenders eBay uyawazi in and out ukuthi adlala kanjani so ubani emile badlala ephi yabo I know it has been a while ever since he played for Richards Bay but this is his former team uyabazi lapha nje and laphana you need a striker like ubani uMbuthuma esohlala eboxini receive ibhola yabo receive ibhola esoshaya ikhanda sinqofe lapha yabo kudliwe net mina ngokwami iyona lineup le Orlando Pirates engakwazi ukuthi iyiwine ngayo igame mhlambe ke wena ke ungangitshela ukuthi ungaqalisa kanjani uba ungabaqalisa but ke ngokwami based on the information I have this is the best possible lineup that can get us 3 points njengoba sidlala le Orlando Stadium yabo Sipho Chain Siyema Sibisi Sibelebele Dion Hotto Makhehleni Makhawula uTalente Mbatha mase kuba uTito Maswanganyi mase kuba uMfokeng mase kuba ubani lomjida lo Osuna Police mase ukuthi up front kube bani lo mjida lo uYanela Mbuthuma maybe the possible subs angangenisa uMakgopa second half yabo kuthi ke Tshepo Moremi asaphe uMfokeng adlale as number 10 yabo mase uthi lapha ku number 6 maybe introduce uMarek